Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's video is a tour of a designer home neighborhood here in the village of WellPoint in the Villages, Florida. Here I am at 1878 Steiger Street in the village of WellPoint. And the new Street of Dreams is just up the street, the 56 model homes. This home is located right across the street from the Kristen Villa neighborhood. Those are accommodation stay homes, friends. And I wanted to show you this designer home to talk about the bonds in the village of WellPoint on these designer homes. This home here is currently listed for sale on the village's website. The list price is $389,069. This is a designer home, 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. It is a tilt wall constructed home. Those walls are made of concrete. Neighborhood. These homes are located in Unit 144V, as in Victor, and the bonds on these designer homes in this unit are $46,800.12. They do hold an interest rate of 5.19%, and if you paid the bond off in 30 years, you would be paying in a total of $99,275.89. I did want to take you on a walking tour of some of these designer homes. These are located adjacent to the Kristen Villas, the accommodation homes, and the 56 new model homes known as the New Street of Dreams. And I wanted to show you that home located at 1878 Steiger Street. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom designer home, 1,766 square feet in the village of WellPoint. That seems reasonably priced. Let me know in the comments below what you think of that designer home and the pricing of that designer home. I will walk you through this new neighborhood of designer homes up to the left. You can see there is a home that is being constructed. The roof trusses are in place. I did a walking tour of this neighborhood a couple of weeks ago, maybe even last weekend. And one of my subscribers did purchase a lot in this neighborhood. Here I am on the corner of Lynn Keene Loop and Steiger Street, here in the village of WellPoint. I'll take you on a tour of these designer homes. And I noticed when I was looking at the bond amortization schedules on the village districtgov.org website, it seemed like the bonds on these designer homes in WellPoint were a little bit higher than the bonds in Shady Brook. I did look at a designer home in Shady Brook that was for sale, and the bond on that home was about $41,000. So the bond was $5,000 lower on a designer home in Shady Brook. And I believe that was Unit 229V. If that's incorrect, I'll put a pop-up box to let you know what unit number that was in Shady Brook. But I was wondering why the bonds are higher in WellPoint than in Shady Brook. designer homes are waiting for you to purchase and move right on in. That is the backside of the Kristen Villas right there. Those are accommodation homes. For those new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tim. I do Villages related content. Villages is a 55 plus community located here in Central Florida. I hope my subscribers are paying attention. If you are the subscriber, I believe one of these lots you purchased. Looks like they are excavating it. Lots of progress made since I've been here last. I think it was maybe 2 weeks ago I did a video. Here they have the foundations getting ready to be poured. They have vapor barrier down. They have the forms up. All they need is the concrete trucks to come on in and pour the slab. Lots of progress on these homes. They can build these homes quickly. This one has a carrier HVAC system already installed. Wow. This home has a swimming pool. The bird cage has been constructed. This home must be sold. They have landscaping in. You can see the tags. One of my subscribers asked me to do a video about the imperfections that they find in these homes, and they put blue tags or red tags. It's actually tape. They put little pieces of tape next to the imperfection. And I've noticed that sometimes it's just chipped paint. Sometimes it might be a small crack in the wall. Like for instance, this home here has blue tape by the front door. And we'll see what kind of imperfection they're identifying. So they're identifying the staple marks. It looks like they stapled a piece of wood. And those staple marks need to be filled in. I hope you can see that. So that's another item that they are looking for. They're just looking for imperfections and things that may have been forgotten. So here's a piece of orange tape. I'm not sure why they have orange tape across here. Maybe they're identifying this as fresh paint. But you can see the orange tape across there and as well as the door. They do have people come in and inspect these homes. And I know some of my subscribers have asked, you know, is the Villages responsive to fix the issues? And I have not heard contrary. I do believe they are responsive to fix these things. At least 3 or 4 years ago when I was looking at purchasing a new home, I did speak to some people. There is more orange tape over there. And those people indicated that when they moved into the home, they discovered problems. The Villages was very responsive. And reacted quickly. I think this tape is just identifying that the doors need to be painted. So there's many reasons to have the tape on the doors. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these tilt wall constructed designer homes and the pricing. I thought the home that I showed you earlier in this video was priced reasonable. $389,000 plus a $46,000 bond, $46,800 bond. So figure 390 and 50, $435,000 or so for a new designer home. Here in the village of WellPoint. Let me know what you think of the color scheme on these homes as well. I know some of my subscribers were commenting on the colors. I always thought that the villages had a book of color, a color palette book. I think years ago they had like 20 or 25 different colors you could choose from. But I think that has all changed in the last several years. Let me know in the comments below what you think. This home has a beautiful glass door. Flooring is not yet in this home. This home has very wide base molding. So those are the types of things that can add cost to your home when you design and build a home. You choose to have wide base molding, that's going to be an adder. There's some more forms going in, ready for the foundation. And here we are. I'm coming up to the 56 model homes, the new Street of Dreams. That's what you see here. Those three homes on the right are part of the 56 model home Street of Dreams. So there you have it, friends. I just took you through a designer home neighborhood, one of the newest being built here in WellPoint. And I showed you a designer home that is listed on the village's website for sale, 1878 Steiger Street. That home was located in unit number 144V. It was list price for $389,000 plus some change. And it has a bond of $46,800. Have a good day, everyone. Take care.